Guys, so in my last video I showed you a little food haul and I thought why not showing you some meal prep that I'm doing. So the first thing that I will do is to get the seeds out of this pomegranate. I'm gonna do that, and then afterwards I show you what I do with my cucumber and tomato. This fruit is so beautiful. So this is how it looks inside. So what I do, I just cut this in half. I don't know how you guys do it. Please comment down below if there's a better way to do it. And then I just take the halves and like press the seeds out there into the water so there's no juice getting anywhere. So here we go. I drained the water and this is everything that I got out of it. I will put this bowl now into the fridge, and now they're ready to go for oatmeal, smoothie bowls, and all that. Even salads, they are really good on salads with like baked mushrooms and maybe kale. So the next thing that I wanted to show you for my meal prep for today is like a cucumber tomato salsa. So I have some organic cucumber here, some leftover tomatoes from my last food haul, some apple cider vinegar, organic one of course, and some organic cilantro. If you don't like cilantro or coriander, whatever you want to call it, you can also use parsley or basil. That's also delicious, but I just got this today from the organic store. I'm so excited, super excited to use this in this recipe. So I'm basically gonna cut up the cucumber and the tomato in little pieces and then put them in the bowl and put some spices in there. So here I have the sliced up cucumber and tomato, and now the cilantro is going in there. Then I'm gonna put some black pepper in there, a dash of apple cider vinegar. If you don't want to use apple cider vinegar, you can also use some tamarind paste. That is also really nice in there. If you want to make it a bit sweeter, you can add some coconut sugar. If you want it a bit spicier, you can add some cayenne pepper or chili, of course. But this is the like base recipe, and then I'm gonna put a lid on this and store it in the fridge, and then it's ready to go for the next 2-3 days to put into salads, pasta dishes, veggie stir fries, whatever. Maybe even into wraps. This would be really nice with some avocado or hummus. So yes. So guys, as you saw, my meal prep is really simple. Let me know if you enjoyed this video anyway, because I get so many requests to do these kind of meal prep videos. And yeah, let me know if you enjoyed watching this so I can make more of these, and give this video a like and comment down below your favorite meal prep tips, and I will hopefully see you in one of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Hi guys, I just got back from grocery shopping and I wanted to show you everything that I bought. I still have a lot of starches here, so I have potatoes, sweet potatoes, rice, and like a lot of oats. So this is just